This is a quick look at an excellent wireless car diagnostic scanner by TOPDON. It arrives in this protective carrying case, where along with the unit there is a wall adapter with a collection of wall plugs, a USB cable, a detailed 30-page user manual, and a password to enter during the initial setup. The unit feels very solid. A speaker is on the left and the touchscreen is about 6 inches. Charging and data ports and the power button are on the top. The part that plugs into the car's system is very smartly embedded into the unit and releases at a quick press. It connects to the main unit via Bluetooth, and the LEDs indicate error, power, and Bluetooth status. Initial setup takes just a few minutes, where you select the language, connect to your own Wi-Fi network, set the time zone, create an account, and enter the password from the included card. It covers a large number of car models and has many useful options which I have yet to learn. Overall, it works great and already helped me save a bundle instead of taking the car to my mechanic. Thank you for watching.